Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let's look into a weekly narrative like how we do on every weekly basis. So as usual, we'll mark the weekly ranges. We have marked this week's low and the previous week's big red candles high as our trading range. Okay, so all our trading is going to happen between these two range for this coming week. That's what this trading range means. So between this trading range, what do we see? How is the market reacting? What is the structure saying? So from a weekly perspective, we can see that the market is slightly bullish and coming back to a retracement. So we see that there is an open demand, which is marked in this particular green color imbalance, right? So this green color imbalance says that there is a small level of price action which is not tested by the market yet. Okay. So then we go to the 4 hours, we narrow down the range to little bit, and this is what ideally is going to be our effective position if we wanted to take the market higher. The moment we see the market coming down like this and gives a positive reaction, we are interested to take the market higher from a weekly perspective. Okay, so this is the ideal setup which we can derive from a weekly perspective. So let's go to 1 hour chart also and see whether there are any other change of characters or any other significant places where the market can react from. So we can see that the market has given a positive momentum as part of Friday's session, and we also see that there is a small imbalance which the market has left open here. And the only worrying part for me here is there are relative equal lows. What do I mean by relative equal lows is this low point and this low point is almost going to be the same. So this is what we call as relative equal lows. Whenever relative equal lows is formed in the market, it forms as a liquidity in the market. So what buyers or sellers will see is most people, trendline traders, when I mean buyers or sellers, they will see this point as liquidity and they will think that market will bounce back from this particular place. So this is one set of traders who will always trade. They will draw a trend line, imaginary line in the market, and they will say like, okay, this is the place where the market has bounced back from earlier. There are high chances the market, when it comes back, it can bounce back from this place. But this is where we step in from a SMC concept, where market, what it will do is it will hunt this particular liquidity, come down, and then will move in your particular direction. This is how the market will generally hunt the liquidity and move. Okay, so how do we plan our trades? It's going to be simple. This range, whichever we see as this fall, right, this high we will simply mark. Okay, the moment we see closures above this, there are no significant points except this particular gap which we have. Okay, so the moment we see the market above 25,825 and a closure above this, we can take the market higher on a simple base. The reason why I'm saying this high range is, if I see SGX Nifty, it is showing us 25,886, which is somewhere close to this range. That is why I'm talking about this particular huge gap up scenario. Okay, so the moment we get closures above 25,893 or 25,900 to be specific, we can take the market at least till 26,000 for Monday's range, the swing point high. And if market sustains about 26,000 on Monday, we can see a extended targets till 26,100 or 200 or even 300 for the coming weeks. This is for the upward range. What about downward range? The moment market gives rejections from this place, okay, so market sweeps this and starts to trade lower than the opening price, you can see the market pull down all the way back to 25,500 range. These are the two effective plans which we have. Okay, so keeping the video extremely short, if you like the analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and follow for more such education content. As usual, I will post a video during 10:15 on Monday explaining you how the market structure is and how we can plan our trades. You can stay tuned, follow this channel, and follow for more such educational content. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.